Yep. Go ahead. I'm going.
Our allies are being attacked.
Explorer reporting. Greetings, Command. Receiving headquarters.
Our allies are being attacked.
We have you on visual.
SCV ready.
The enemy's tearing through my forces.
We have you on visual. Transmitting. Receiving headquarters.
Our allies are being attacked.
SCV ready.
Combat
Explorer
drop.
reporting.
Enemies approaching fast. Man, they look mad.
Transmitting.
We've taken out about half their trains. Nice work, commanders.
It's heating up out here. Sending drop pods now.
Warning. The main objective is escaping.
SCV
Explorer reporting.
Our allies are being attacked. Our allies base is under attack.
Heads up. Another train's in transit. Damn. They managed to get a train into station. We can't let them do that again.
SCV ready.
Our allies are being attacked.
Hellbat coming through. SCV ready. I need a pickup.
Receiving headquarters. Greetings, Command.
SCV ready. Big job, huh?
Transmit orders.
Concentrated beam ready.
SCV fire up here, boss. I hear you. SCV ready.
Our allies are being attacked.
Receiving headquarters.
Let's give them hell. Ready to roll out. Hellbat coming through.
Our allies are being attacked.
Can't wait.
Upgrade complete.
Got some bad guys coming after our base. Hellbat coming through. Hellbat coming through. SCV ready.
Warning. Main objective escaping.
Greetings, Command.
Pulse cannon ready.
SCV ready. Rate the waiting orders.
Our allies are being attacked.
Hellbat coming through.
Combat drop ready for deployment.
Oh, this is bad. We fail to stop one more shipment and this entire office is burned out as chow sara.
Rate the waiting orders. Thrusters to maximum. Reporting in. Hellbat, coming through.
Got another fast one on the bottom track. Better move if you want to take it out.
Concentrated beam online.
Hellbat, coming through. I'm calling in a special delivery.
Explorer
Here
reporting.
comes the drop pods.
Explorer reporting.
I'm detecting an enemy attack. They're heading towards us now.
Our main objective has been destroyed.
Right on time.
Warning. Main objective escaping.
Explorer reporting.
Our SCV is under attack.
Here. Rate the waiting.
Here we go. Knock that train over and raise some hell.
Our allies are being attacked.
Rate the waiting order.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Got any extra firepower?
That's all she wrote,
Our
Commanders.
allies are being
It
attacked.
delivered enough hardware that anything we do now is wasted effort.
Thank goodness you're here. Our research team has discovered that Amon is moving his troops across the sector via warp conduit. The conduits cannot be destroyed, but the shuttles can. They must be stopped before they reach the warp conduits and escape. The central warp conduit is active. Amon will surely attempt to send his shuttles through it soon.
SCV ready. In the rear with the SCV ready. Go ahead. SCV ready. Huh? SCV ready. What's going on? It's your dime. SCV ready. Yo. Yes, sir. Yeah. SCV ready. You scared me!
SCV ready. SCV ready.
Enemies coming for our base. Thought you might want to know. In the rear with the gear.
SCV ready.
Activating a drone. This should hook us up with some extra gas.
Thank you for your assistance.
SCV ready.
Looks like the bad guys are Protoss.
SCV ready.
Combat drop ready.
SCV ready.